Welcome to the KLEADER's channel. Discover the cutting-edge, interactive multimedia tech from holographic displays to 3D visuals. We innovate to deliver unparalleled solutions. Here are some parts of KLEADER's accolades, proving our industry leadership. Now, let's dive into the key advantages that set KLEADER apart in the industry. Firstly, KLEADER started its journey a decade ago. Throughout these years, our original intention has remained unchanged. We are wholeheartedly committed to pushing the boundaries of interactive multimedia. Secondly, KLEADER boasts a diverse team of professional staff with exceptional expertise. Moreover, we own a spacious showroom and offer convenient live streaming services via phone. Thirdly, KLEADER is an enterprise built on integrity, as evidenced by our numerous certifications. Collaborating with us is a hassle-free experience, as we consistently deliver cost-efficient services and products. Plus, KLEADER has accumulated rich project experience across the global market, maintaining an impressive track record of zero implementation mistakes. Finally, partnering with KLEADER means gaining access to our extensive network of resources and industry connections. We leverage these relationships to deliver unparalleled value and support to our clients, ensuring their success in the ever-evolving multimedia landscape. Remember, if I don't reply immediately, please feel free to reach out to me directly or visit our website for more information. We're always here to assist you. At KLEADER, we firmly believe that the perfect fusion of technology and art will usher in a new era of multimedia interaction.